Hey, what's up, everybody? It has been quite a while since I did one of these, and it's definitely for good reason. The last couple of months have been absolutely insane, but we'll get into that in due time. So today we're going to be doing a special unboxing, and it's going to be for Azza, I don't know, tomato, tomato, but we are going to be unboxing their mid tower Optima 803. Now, for me personally, I haven't seen any unboxing videos for this specific product, so I figured I would take it upon myself and do an unboxing video for you guys, and hopefully it helps someone along the journey of building a newer PC or just decide they want to replace the aesthetic and all that good stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, here we go, ladies and gents. Now, as you can see, I did previously cut the box open just to kind of see what I was working with, and I really needed to have enough time to kind of put my brain into getting this thing pulled out, serving all that wonderful stuff. So I did get this off of Newegg, because surprisingly enough, there wasn't a lot of people selling this case. It's a decent size. I was a little intimidated by the size of the box when it did come, because I'm thinking like, oh boy, I don't know if this thing is going to be bigger than I want it. Okay, hold on. Try to get this leverage right. Alright, here we go. Up and at 'em. Uh-oh. Wait. About to have a little poke in here. Alright, here we go. Up and out. Okay, look at this. Now this has, if you notice, it has like a little metal mesh to it. And just about every other opening here. Okay, so yeah, this just opens up just like that. That's actually pretty dope. So you can see here, this is the top of it. And the bottom, it has a little stand here, which is actually pretty solid from what I thought it would be. And then it has all these different screws here. So I guess to take this side off, this is actually pretty awesome. Oh, okay. And here we got the remote and stuff. And looks like some mountain twist, some form of twisty tie. But so it's not literature, it's just the screws and stuff, and it comes with a little remote so I can control like all the RGB stuff, which is pretty awesome. So you guys can get a pretty good look. So you got the Azza logo, I don't know, it's one or the other. You got the power button here. And it looks like, yeah, we already got a 240 built here already, which I believe is RGB as well. So this is actually pretty dope. Now, if you are looking for a case, I must warn you that this is not a cheap case. This will run you in the neighborhood around $230 to $250, depending on where you look. Like I said, I got this from Newegg, and only other person that was selling it was on Amazon, but because of circumstances with shipping and businesses and all that, they weren't going to ship it very fast. So I had to go with Newegg and pay a little bit extra for shipping. But for me, this is simply for aesthetic for me. I literally got this simply for aesthetic. Now, the only other thing I will say is that I don't see any front USB ports here, which I think is a little disappointing. But other than that, I'm not really too harped up about it. Like, maybe if I'm lucky, maybe there's some kind of there could be some kind of extra thing that I can put in it to where I can still take advantage of that. So really, it not having front panel USBs isn't a really huge deal for me. And yeah, like it looks dope. So there you guys have it. So guys, that does it for my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was informative to you and whatever your future plans PC related will be. Hey, I'm just passing information along, and if you enjoyed it, I hope you did. Great. You can comment, like, share, all that wonderful stuff that you usually do at the end of a YouTube video, and I will check with you all in my next video. So you guys take care, stay safe, and keep following my advice to go nerd, but nerd responsibly. This is your boy, Follow Marvel Family. I am out. Deuces.